focus on the heart.
Look how weird this looks. There's just a wall of clouds.
Max's grandma can do the splits, and I can't even touch my toes, to put into perspective how not flexible I am. So yeah, this will be the year of yoga. Namaste. 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 I just got to the store, and I'm gonna go inside and try and buy some good winter gear for myself. It's something that I should have bought a long time ago, but I never did. Last week we celebrated my 29th birthday, and Max took me to the mountains, but I didn't have any winter gear, so it was snowy and I had like jeans and I put socks on my hands. So me and the kids are gonna get all outfitted in winter gear so that we can keep going up there because it was beautiful. Yeah. This mountain is so beautiful. So beautiful. Every year on my birthday, I sort of do like a mental check-in with myself to see like, all right, where am I in life and how do I feel and am I on my path, you know? And it's weird because I'm super happy with my life, but I don't know, I'm not exactly where I want to be. And my big realization with all of that is that it's kind of my responsibility. It's not kind of my, it is my responsibility. It's my life. And the best example I have for that is like weight, because I mean, most people gained the COVID-15 and I was all bummed out about it and like, oh, the gyms are closed and COVID, you know, closed all the gyms and yada yada yada, but I didn't really take responsibility for the fact that I literally drank my weight in eggnog and wine this past month, so I really can't blame anyone other than myself. This coming year, it's just all about kind of taking responsibility for my life and going in the direction of where I think I want to go. Oh, and also, if you have drinking your weight in eggnog and have gained the COVID-15, don't feel bad, because me too. So, yeah. What are you doing?
There is a life valley.
Did it look like I was on an escalator? Ready?
Hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. Doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all.
A lot of these clips.
I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on,
Whimsical.
put me together,
Yes.
take me back where
There it
I
is.
belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
We forgot walking's hard, so we're getting the razor. Just kidding. All the tools are in it. Yeah.
Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. could take you back
That's
to
what you gotta do too. You gotta
my
fill it full of stones.
and show you what I wish I knew.
All these little like,
My will is strong
did like
with a
this.
place to live.
Yeah.
you gotta replace
In
all
a
these.
moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the lighted
Fence
pole.
doesn't work, or probably why it's shorted back. Glue that outlet.
I'm
This popped off
remembering
and
the
it
words you
touched
told me. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
Who wants it?
They just want the bucket.
Babe, that one just touched me. That's so sweet, little puppy. Come here. Come here, Tim. Risk it, Tim. Risk it for the biscuit, Tim.